Hey guys, so today we are doing the 24-hour glow challenge. Basically, I'm tired of looking like this. It's been real hard for me in the streets being ugly. So I'm gonna go get cute. The first stop is nails. First stop. That's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna come back, have a new wig because tired of her. We're exhausted of her. I literally had to like revamp her so she was wearable because she was not for a second, and she's kind of not now because she looks pretty bad, and I didn't feel like laying edges. But like if I take this wig off and y'all saw my hair underneath, y'all would fight me. Look at this wig in the background. A hot mess. It's a hot mess. All my wigs nappy, all of them. I'm done with synthetic after like this week. I'm tired of them. Like I really am. I'm ready for human hair. I'm ready for full lace fronts. Period. I was gonna come up here even uglier because like I look even worse. I literally just like straightened this a little bit. Like it looked worse. Like I promise you, I looked worse this morning. Like I was going to film the thing with eye crust in my eyes, but I decided to spare you and not break my camera because I look terrible. Look at these knobs. I'm not over the fact that I have not had nails on for like 2 weeks. I'm tired. So it's time to be a bad bitch. I'm gonna get my nails done, and then we're gonna all have some Starbucks together, and then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna do hair, makeup, and clothes, and then yeah. So we got Starbucks. I drank half of it, and we also got our nails done. And now we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna finish this challenge. I'm actually about to get in the shower, but it's not gonna be like a regular like wash shower or whatever. It's gonna be like a full like exfoliate and shave shower because I have not shaved in a minute. So, and it's like 86 degrees outside, and I'm sick of having to wear long sleeves because you know my armpits are out of control. So that's also gonna be part. I feel like no one does that in their glow up challenges or whatever, but I am. Period. Poo. I'm gonna wash, and I'm gonna use my body scrub. I use this one. It's by Shea Moisture, and it's the coconut and hibiscus hand and body scrub. I love this stuff. It smells really good. Well, anyway, it smells really good. And yeah, so I'm gonna use this, shower, and come back when I'm washing my face again. Okay. So I have the face mask on. It says leave it on until it's dry. It's like a clay mask, but I don't really want to. I don't really like it. I told my mom and sister to get a hydrating mask, and they didn't get someone I like. But we're gonna see how long. I'm about to take it off, honestly. I don't want it on my face, and I want to get it done. So yeah, and then we're gonna go to hair. So I moved down to the downstairs bathroom real quick, mostly because I was getting food because I'm starving. And you see, like, there's no, like, and it really needs plugged, but I don't really feel like plugging it. So I'm going to plug a little bit more. I'm not going to, like, this needs, like, extreme plugging, but I'm going to put, like, a lot of concealer in here and just clean that up instead. So that's what I'm about to go do. And then we're gonna cut this lace and then lay it down a bit better than what it is. It has really, really pretty curls though, so And ignore the dirty bathroom sink or dirty bathroom mirror. Sorry about that, but yeah. You are so sweet, no one can be. Glad you came into my life. You got me with your love, it's you I am inside. My life complete. You are so sweet, glad you came. I'm on the block. I'm on the block. I'm on the block. You are so sweet, glad you came. I'm gonna start my makeup now. And I'm gonna start with eyebrow. Actually, I'm gonna prime with the. Actually, I'm gonna. Okay. Now I'm gonna makeup. I'm gonna take the hangover. I'm just gonna speed this up. I don't really feel like talking to you. I hate this. Like, I love it. It's so cold. It's so cold. You are so sweet. I'm on the block. I'm on the block. So I finished my makeup off camera, so I was getting really annoyed like doing it on camera or whatever. And I changed it into this dress. So that's the end. I need to fix my edges. But that concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me going from a 2.1 to about a 5.8. I just wet the hair a little bit. Didn't do much like I wanted it to do, but it's okay. It's still cute. Yeah. I'll have the link to this hair in the description. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and all of that will be linked down below. A product list will also be linked down below. And if you haven't watched my last Chit Chat Get Ready with me, go ahead and watch that. Don't forget to follow me at Safe Finessing, because you know we finesse these hoes. Also, I'm on Snapchat at @amloveyou. Don't judge me, I made it when I was like 12. And yeah, bye guys, peace. Oh, and Twitter, stay finessing, because finesse these hoes. Bye.